Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On Saturday, March 9th, Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians, made a visit to the city of Khuborjylla. There he was honored by local authorities and warmly received by the entire community, especially the youth who frequent the local Salesian home. The day's festivities included the conferral of honorary citizenship and a solemn mass held at the church sanctuary dedicated to Mary Help of Christians. The visit of the Rector Major of the Salesians and 10th successor of Don Bosco to Khuborjylla commemorates 125 years of Salesian presence in the municipality. The School of Salesian Spiritual Accompaniment is on its 4th year, 2021 to 2024, offering having already served 160 confreres coming from 60 provinces of our 7 regions. The school aims to form our confreres especially for maters to be Salesian spiritual guides who are able to spiritually accompany our confreres in initial formation as well as ongoing formation according to our Salesian charismatic style. The school is offered twice a year for 5 weeks in April to May for English-speaking confreres and in August-September for Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, French-speaking confreres. It is held at the places of Don Bosco at Valdoco and Colle. For this year's offering of 2024, it is already full. One has to register 1 year ahead. With the motto, "In prayer with Zati, we are mission." The 10th pilgrimage in honor of Artemides Zati took place on the weekend of 9 and 10th of March 2024 in Viedma in the Argentine province of Rio Negro in commemoration of the 73rd anniversary of his death on 15th of March 1951. The event, organized by the 5 parishes of Viedma, brought together thousands of faithful from the Viedma, Patagonia region and people from other places too, gathered to implore his intercession and to thank him there in the city where the relative of the poor carried out his work and where his remains rest today. On 9th and 10th of March, the European Salesian Novitiate at Colle Don Bosco near Castelnuovo Don Bosco received a visit from the General Councillor for Social Communication of the Salesian Congregation, Father Gildasio Mendes. The visit was marked by various formative sessions with the novices focusing on the digital world and its connection to the youth sphere. It provided an opportunity for insightful discussions and learning experiences. On the afternoon of Saturday, March 9th, Father Gildasio Mendes engaged with the novices on the subject of how to engage with digital world in an educational manner. The format of the discussion involved interactive dialogue with each member of the group. Over 50 young people, both girls and boys, hailing from various regions of the country, convened at the Provincial House of the Salesians of South Korea, KOR, for a Lenten vigil themed "Stay Awake with Me." This retreat was initiated upon the request of a group from the Salesian Youth Movement, SYM, and meticulously planned by the Commission for Salesian Youth Ministry in collaboration with the FMA, resulting in a tailored program. The gathering commenced with a brief orientation on Saturday evening in the spacious chapel on the 7th floor of the Provincial House. Subsequently, Father Lee Bosco Jong delivered a lecture titled, "What Does Suffering Mean to Us?" prompting contemplation. Participants then engaged in individual reflection during a moment of silence following the word and a brief commentary. The Way of the Cross, organized and guided by Father Siong Dominic Hayun, was followed by a prayer session in the Taizé style. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.